Namaste. Today is the International Day of Yoga. We have seen how yoga has impacted the COVID 19 pandemic, especially how significantly it has played a role in restoring the psychosocial care as well as the rehabilitation for COVID 19 patients during quarantine and isolation. There are few things that we have to consider while doing yoga. For example, the head, neck, and spine. All three has to be in the straight line and erect while practicing yoga. And yoga has to be done with the synchronization of breath, aligning the poses, and in complete awareness. So, for complete awareness, we usually close our eyes, and when you close our eyes, you can actually be completely aware of all the internal processes and changes that is happening during the yoga practice. So now today on this International Yoga Day, let us all take a pledge that we will take care of our body and our mind and practice yoga every day. Just 20 minutes therapy and we are done, energetic for the whole day. So let's go, start. Take a deep breath in, relax.
We are going to start the session with the opening prayer. So join your hands, close your eyes and start the prayer. Om Sahana Bhavatu Sahano Bhunattu Sahaviryam Karvavahe Tejasvi Mavadhitamastu Ma Vidvishavahe. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.
We shall move on to the loosening practices. Starting with neck rotation, take 1 feet distance, bring your hands to your trunk. Now slowly inhale and lift your neck up. Exhale and bring your chin down. Inhale and go to your sideways. Exhale and bring it in the center. Now let's start the neck rotation from one side to the other. Inhale and go towards the side. Exhale and come to the center. Inhale, exhale. So now we should do the full neck rotation. So do it in the clockwise direction first and then the anti-clockwise direction. Now we are going to do the shoulder rotation. So first bring both your feet together, lift your hands up horizontally, then vertically, and then bringing it in front and bringing it down. So now touch your shoulders with your palms. Start the shoulder rotation. First clockwise. Do it at least 30 rounds. And then anti-clockwise. 30 numbers in each set. We shall move on to trunk rotation. So take 1 feet distance. Bring your hands near your chest. Now take your palm back, one side. Inhale and go back. Exhale and come in front. Inhale and go back. Exhale and bring it in front. Inhale and go back. Exhale and bring it in front. Do it 30 sets. So this is also known as squatting. So bring your hands in front. Now slowly bend down. Yes. Inhale and slowly go down. Hold it and exhale and come back. Inhale and go down. Exhale and come back. Now bring your hands towards your sides and relax in Tadasana. Now we are going to do Tadasana. So bring your hands together near your chest. Inhale and go up. Now bring it back to your chest. Exhale. Inhale and go up. Exhale and bring it back to your chest. Inhale and go back. Exhale and bring it back to your chest. So now come to Sthiti and then relaxation position. So the next asana is Padhasana. So inhale and take your hands up. Exhale and slowly bend your trunk and touch the ground or your feet without bending your knees. Now exhale completely. Now inhale and go up. Exhale and bring your hands to your sides. Now come back to relaxation position. So the next asana is Ardha Chakrasana. So bring your palms towards your trunk. Now inhale and go back. Keep normal breathing. Hold this position for some time. Now exhale and slowly come back to normal. Bring your hands towards your side. The next asana is Trikonasana. So take 1 feet distance. Take your 1 feet out. Bring your hands to horizontal position. Touch the palm with your touch the feet with your palm and the other hand pointing upwards. Look up. Now again come back to horizontal position and then the normal one. You should practice it with both your legs. So inhale, exhale and look up. Please don't bend your knees. Inhale and come back to the normal position. Now we are proceeding with the sitting asana. So the next asana is Bhadrasana. Now come to Sthiti. Now bring both your feet with your palms towards your body. Bring it as close to your body as possible. Now start flapping with thighs like a butterfly. Count it at least 30. Now slowly release your legs and your hands. The next asana is Ustrasana. So now take your hands back and touch the feet with both hands. Now inhale and take your head back. Keep normal breathing and hold it for a few seconds while you exhale and bring your hands in front. Now come back to Vajrasana. The next asana is Shashank Asana or the hare pose. So you sit in Vajrasana with your feet tucked in. Now inhale and lift your hands and slowly bring it and touch the ground. Exhale completely at this position. Now count for a few seconds, then slowly lift your head up, followed by your trunk, and inhale. Bring your hands up and slowly release it. The cobra pose or Bhujasana is a prone posture. So lie down on your stomach, bring your hands towards your chest. Now lift up your head till your navel and look up. Now exhale at this point. Hold it for some time and slowly exhale and release this position. Now bring your hands to the relaxation position. Now we move on with Pavan Muktasana. So fold your leg, bring your head and touch your knee. First with nose and then with chin. Now hold your breath for some time and then release your leg and your hands and go back to normal sleeping position. Now continue the same with the other leg. Bring your leg in front, hold it tight. Now bring your nose, touch it with your nose and then your chin. Now exhale and release your leg and hands. Come back to Shavasana. Relax for some time in this position. Follow the same with both your legs this time. Count till 5 and then release it. Now we are moving on with Kapalbhati Kriya. So sit in comfortable sitting position. Close your eyes. Now inhale and exhale completely. Tuck in your stomach and start forceful exhalations. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do it for at least 30 to 45 counts and then slowly release it. Stop it. Go ahead with Anulom Vilom Pranayam. Bring your hands in Nasika Mudra with your thumb and little finger out. Now hold one nostril with your thumb and inhale from the other nostril. Now hold that nostril with the little finger and exhale from the other one. Inhale from the same nostril, exhale from the other one. Continue this cycle at least for 30 rounds in each set. Now we are moving towards Brahmari Pranayam. This is an excellent practice for sleep meditation. So sit in the sitting posture, hold your ears with your thumb and then bring all your 4 fingers together. Hold it near your nose, below your nose, between your lips and the chin. Now touch the upper palate off with your tongue, tip of your tongue, and really inhale and release the air with a honeybee sound. You will feel wonderful vibration on your upper body and your head. So now we proceed with Dhyana. You can either do it by closing your eyes and fixing your focus between your eyes in the forehead or by chanting Om. So inhale and exhale and chant Om. Now we should proceed with closing prayer. So bring your palms together. Now and start the prayer. Sarve sant sukhinah, sarve sant niramaya, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kashe dukh bhavave. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Now rub your palms together, put it on your eyes, feel the warmth. Now bring your hands back to the normal and slowly open your eyes with a smile. Thank you.